Hello there, my name's Glen Bird and I'm a chef for Food is Fun, and today we're going to be making coffee banana bread. Okay, so our ingredients are 3 ripe Fairtrade bananas which I've mashed with a fork, some golden caster sugar for again Fairtrade, 2 free-range eggs which have just been whisked slightly, some Fairtrade coffee, just quite a strong mix of Fairtrade instant coffee, pinch of salt, 100 grams of Fairtrade dark chocolate broken into small pieces, some melted butter, and 225 grams of self-raising flour. And then what I have to add on the is just a few grinds of nutmeg to give it some extra flavour. Okay, our cake is quite a simple, straightforward method. We're going to mix most of the ingredients into this bowl with the bananas. Then we're going to add the rest into another bowl and then put it straight into the baking tin. So to our bananas we add caster sugar, 2 free-range eggs, salt, coffee, and a few grinds of our nutmeg. It's quite potent nutmeg, so be careful. That's probably about all we need. Okay, so we've mixed our first lot of ingredients together with the banana, and we put that into a consistency. I'm going to transfer this now into a larger mixing bowl because we're going to put all the other ingredients in with the banana mix. So there's all your banana mix in there. We're going to add the melted butter. We're going to add the broken chocolate. And then we're going to gradually add the rest of the flour to the mix. Okay, so we're just going to incorporate all of our ingredients into the flour. This will take a couple of minutes to do, and then once it's all mixed thoroughly together, we're going to transfer our ingredients to our greased 1.5 pound baking tin and bake it in the oven for 50 minutes. Okay, we've got our ingredients well mixed together, and we're just going to transfer all of it as it is into a greased 1.5 pound tin. Making sure we've got everything in there. Okay. Now I'm just going to give that a quick shake just to level it off. Tap, get any air, help any bubbles in there out. Now we're going to transfer this into a oven set at 170 degrees fan, that's 190 normal, or gas mark 5, for around 50 minutes. I'll be checking it around the 40-minute mark just to see if it's okay with the skewer, just to make sure. Don't forget there's chocolate in there, so you will get chocolate coming out sometimes, but the cake should be done around the 40-45 minute mark, 50 minutes at most. Let's come back and see what it looks like when it's finished. Okay, it's been 40 minutes, so kitchen smells fantastic. So let's have a look at see how we're doing in the oven. Okay. Whoa, look at that. Oh, that looks great. Let's give it a test. Right, still a bit soft in the middle, so we're going to come back to it in 10 minutes. Okay everyone, welcome back. It's been full 50 minutes, so let's have a look in the oven and see what we've got. Oh, look at that. Well, that looks done to me. We'll just have a quick check. Yeah, beautiful. Okay. Now we're going to let that cool and we'll come back and do some decoration and then we'll show you the end product. Okay, welcome back. Our cake is lovely and cooked through, and we have a nice coffee and banana cake. Just going to do some decoration with some Fairtrade icing sugar. This is mixed with a little bit of milk. Just the final decoration for our cake. If it's worth doing, it's worth decorating. And there we are, coffee and banana bread. Now this one's gifted, but in true Blue Peter style, here's one I made earlier. The next time you go to the supermarket, choose Fairtrade.